In the deepest recesses of an ancient forest lives a creature of magic and mystery, a being that breathes with the trees and whispers with the wind. But peace is disturbed by a sinister presence. A small creature, a bright light, is their target. She runs, she hides, but the crows pursue her. At the ancient altar, the spirit of the forest awakens, manifesting its might to shield her. A surge of energy, like a tide, flows towards the girl. With astonishing courage, she embraces the power. She raises her hand, and the wind responds to her call. When the darkness seems invincible, together, we can defeat it.